In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create and use macros in Google Sheets. Start by opening your Google Sheet. This can be a brand new spreadsheet or one you already use, as long as it has some data in it that you want to format or clean up. Macros are helpful because they record a set of actions you perform, then let you replay those same actions later with one click. This is great for repetitive tasks, like formatting cells the same way every time. Once your spreadsheet is open, go to the top menu and click Extensions. In the menu that appears, hover over or select Macros. This is where Google Sheets keeps the tools for recording and running macros. Now click Record Macro. At this point, Google Sheets begins watching the actions you take in the sheet. Try to work steadily and only do the steps you actually want repeated, because anything you click while recording can become part of the macro. Next, click the Highlight tool and apply highlighting in your sheet. As you do this, make sure you are selecting the same kind of cells you would want to highlight in the future. For example, you might highlight a header row, key totals, or any cells you want to stand out visually. Continue clicking Highlight as needed to apply the highlighting exactly the way you want it recorded. A useful tip is to keep your formatting consistent, since the macro will repeat your actions the same way each time you run it. When you are finished with the highlighting actions you want to capture, click Save. This ends the recording and brings up the save process for your new macro. Click Save again to confirm. If you see a name field for the macro, you can keep the default name for now. The important part is that the macro is saved successfully so it can be used again. To use the macro you just created, go back to Extensions at the top menu. Then go to Macros, and you should see your saved macro listed. Click the macro name, such as the default, untitled macro, to run it. Google Sheets will replay the recorded highlighting actions on your sheet. If your sheet is set up similarly each time, this can save you a lot of effort and keep your formatting consistent. That covers everything you need to know.